Hey guys, welcome to Carniceria Wagyu. My name is Chef David Fuerte, and today we're going to be cooking some Omi. Basically going to do some steak cuts. We're going to do some thick ones, some thinner ones. So here you're going to see a nice 1-inch steak cut that we're making. Put that to the side for right now. Which this is basically a 1/2 inch steak cut, which is going to be less cooking time and less resting time when you eat it. This is a BMS 11 from Omi, Japanese A5. So we're going to go ahead and season our steak very well. Here we're using kosher salt, and don't forget Wagyu, you go a little heavier on the salt, a little light on the pepper. Put it directly in your grill. Here we're using a hickory and cherry wood to get that nice smoke flavor, along with that nice hard sear. This is one of the steaks that you'll find exclusively at La Carniceria Wagyu inside our red meat case. So make sure you follow us at La Carniceria Wagyu cooking channel. My name is Chef David Fuerte, and thank you for joining us.